So guys, OnePlus 9 Pro real image leaks for the first time. OnePlus is basically a flagship brand with a lots of followership. However, in recent times, it is trying its hand on mid-range phones like the OnePlus Nord. The company's latest flagship phone, the OnePlus 9 series, will arrive sometimes in March. Thus, we still have a couple of weeks before the official arrival of this device. Following the high-definition renderings of the OnePlus 9 Pro, we have the first real image leak of the OnePlus 9 Pro. Where else to get the real image leak of a smartphone if not the Chinese survey? The Chinese survey is notorious for unveiling real image of unreleased devices. Now it's the turn of the OnePlus 9 Pro. The real image leaks is basically the same as the past renders. As we can see from the image, this device uses a curved screen with a small punch hole. Another obvious aspect of this phone is the quad rear camera setup. The new OnePlus 9 series will have at least two versions, which include the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. From the camera module, we know that the leak image is the OnePlus 9 Pro. The design is quite different and the huge main camera is iconic. As for the front of the phone, the smartphone is not much different from the previous generation. It still uses a curved display with a hole in the upper left corner. However, it seems to have a better screen to body ratio and visual impacts. From previous speculation, the OnePlus 9 series will come with a new Qualcomm Snapdragon triplet flagship chipset. On the front, there will be a 32-megapixel camera from Sony. The rear will have two main cameras, 48-megapixel Sony IMX689 sensor. The rear will also have an ultra-wide angle lens as well as a micro lens. In addition, the OnePlus 9 Pro will have a built-in 4500 mAh big battery that supports 65-watt flash charging and 40-watt wireless charging. Other features include dual stereo speakers and IP68 dust and water resistant. Considering the release of other Snapdragon triplet flagship, the OnePlus 9 series will be a bit late. However, if it offers a good value for money, the market will accommodate this series. As for the launch date, there is no specification release date for this smartphone. There is no specific release date for this smartphone for now. However, we know that this series will arrive in March. We will keep an eye on its development and keep you up to date. Thank you very much guys. If you find this video relatively useful for you, please hit the like button. Thank you very much guys. Stay with us.